This 2023 Airstream Globetrotter 27FBQ Queen is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features a Barcelona Blue, natural Elm Interior Decor interior, sleeps 6, water heater, microwave, DVD player, awning, skylight, LP detector, refrigerator, TV, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Airstream Globetrotter 27FBQ Queen is 6,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.